He's just, no, he just said he hasn't had as many conversations as they really, but you guys haven't, I know that. And, someone said, who is it, the guy from the company?
Norm Gill.
Yeah, he mentioned, I have an email to him, that tournament, that it's not gonna be, there's not gonna be big tournaments there.
Absolutely.
Okay, I just asked him. That's what.
No, you're accusing. You're pulling a rubber at the point here.
I'm not, I'm
You're looking for the
asking.
negatives.
I'm not, I'm asking because, hey.
So now,
like a
now
supervisor-
my question.
Sure, it won't be.
We good?
Are we on?
We'll call the meeting to order. First item is approval of the agenda.
Move to approve.
Second, those in favor?
Aye.
Aye. Opposed? Minutes of January 18th, 2022 board meeting.
Move to approve.
Second, those in favor?
Aye.
Aye. Opposed? Date set for public hearing budget amendment FY 21-22. What's the date on that? Kelly?
February 8th
Do we have all of them turned in, or is that?
for the amendments, yeah. I'm gonna send it to the courier today, to have them publish it on Thursday.
Do move to.
Yep.
Okay, move to have the set the budget public hearing. Budget amendments for FY 2021-2022 for February 8th.
Second, any further discussion? Those in favor say aye.
Aye.
Aye. Opposed? Discussion on in-home COVID test kits. Do you have much that you want to?
I got a couple things, this has really just happened within the past week, maybe, and a couple of days, but I just got this just a little while ago, and I'll give you a copy too. Basically what this is, on January 10th, the Biden administration passed the approval for the in-home COVID test kits at no cost to the employees. So the employers have to cover it. You have the option to either elect the benefit under the drug coverage or the health coverage, or both. I think it's probably in our best interest to do both. On this little piece of article that I just handed out addresses the two different ways, because it's still in flux, so they don't have all the accounting and all the software set up yet. But employees will be reimbursed for any in-home test kit that they purchase after January 15, because that was the ruling date on that. Right now, they can do either the direct member reimbursement, which is on the first page, or the direct coverage, which is on the second page. The direct coverage, they would not have to pay anything out of pocket up front. And this is just for the drug benefit is right now. They're processing the paperwork, if you will, or the computer program online for the health benefit. So it would act the same way. If they go into the doctor's office or the pharmacy, they can just pick one up and say, here's my card, and they bill it direct. So if they've already purchased it, they have to do a reimbursement request to get their money back. I'm waiting on the list of pharmacies that are going to be keyed in to the federal system. I don't have that yet. I just got an email like 2 minutes ago that said, hey, I'm working on this, I'll get it to you. But there's some discrepancy from the original bill that was passed and put into law about whether it's on a federal basis or a state by state basis. So they're still working on that. But what we have to decide now is, do you want it just under the drug coverage? Do you want it just under the health, or do you want it under both?
Well,
To your benefit.
I think our we want our policy to read that it'll be the pharmacy of your choice or the physician or doctor.
So if that's what you want to do, I'll go ahead and notify them right away, but they have to have an answer. Well, they wanted it last Friday, but because it was such a quick, they just released all the details, and they had the webinar on Thursday, which Teresa, keyed into. And they wanted a decision on Friday, but we said, we don't have enough information. So.
Well, I'd make the motion to make part of our policy on in-home COVID test kits. The employees can go to the pharmacy of their choice or to their medical provider.
Okay. And just so you're aware, because I got an email too, Medicare is sending out emails that each household can obtain 4 free test kits if they call the 800 number or log on. So that's another option that people can be aware of. Okay.
Very good.
Second on that.
Yep.
Second on that.
Any further discussion about in-home COVID test kits? I can't believe there's nothing. All those in favor?
Aye.
Opposed? Kelly, do you have a letter?
I didn't print it out, I forgot. It's done.
we're supposed to approve that letter with
Yeah.
this.
I'll get it to you whenever we're done and
Okay.
then you can sign it.
Okay. Personnel request for payroll approval, change of employment auditor's office, and also approval of a letter stipulating that this is a non-precedent setting event.
Move to approve.
Second? Those in favor?
Aye.
Right. Opposed? Request for payroll approval, change of employment for Veterans Affairs. This is making VSO part-time clerk position
Rachel
for
Fisher.
Rachel Fisher.
Move to approve.
Second. Any discussion? Those in favor say aye.
Aye.
Opposed? Any other business coming before the board?
It's awful quiet out there. Speak up.